My name is Stuart Crowe. I'm the non-executive chairman of Lake Resources, which is listed both in Australia and the ASX with the code LKE, and also on the OTC QB market with the code LLKF. Lake Resources is an Australian-based company with assets only in Argentina. We have 4 projects, all for lithium, 3 brine projects and 1 hard rock project. Our main project, which is the one that's most advanced, is a project called Kachi, where we're on the verge of delivering our PFS, that we expect that to be out by the end of February, and we're in the middle of commencing our pilot plant test work in California with our technology partner Lilac Technologies, where we use the direct extraction process to take the lithium out of the brines. Our current share structure is quite simple. For an Australian company, we have a very low issued capital. We've got currently 529 million shares on issue. The major shareholders, and most of our shareholders, are high net worth individuals from Australia. We don't have any institutional presence on our register at this stage. We're actively looking for that. The market cap is currently around $15 million US, just under 25 million Australian. And we're in the process of raising additional funding to help fund our pilot plant, and that is an initial issue of 85 million shares. '2020 is a really busy year for us. We've done a lot of exploration work. We've outlined our initial resource of 4.4 million tonnes of lithium carbonate equivalent. We've tested the concentrate that we've achieved at a bench scale test, and we've achieved 99.9% lithium with very low impurities. And as I said, in coming months we will be testing a pilot plant that we've constructed in California. We're running 20,000 litres of brine that we've shipped from Argentina through that pilot plant in California, so that we can optimise the pilot plant prior to taking it down on site, and we'll have that on site in Kachi towards the end of the second quarter. Well, we've got a lot on. With 3 brine projects in Argentina, the Kachi, which is the most advanced one, we will be shipping samples around the middle of the year to a number of potential off-takers and financial parties who are looking at development funding opportunities with the project, and we'd then move the pilot plant onto one of our other 2 projects that are in the Kachi, I should say, is 100% owned by Lake, and we own the entire basin. The other 2 projects are on either side of the Cauchari-Olaroz basin, where you've got some of the biggest players in the world, Ganfeng and Lithium America, operating there with Advantage Lithium on one side of the basin, where we adjoin the lease boundaries of those 2 companies. And we've also got a very large lease holding on the other side of the basin alongside the Orocobre production areas. So those 2 projects are where we'll go next once we've got the pilot plant complete. We hope to build some commercial scale modules at Kachi, and then deploy the pilot plant to either the Cauchari project or the Olaroz project. Lake Resources, given the downturn in the lithium sector over the last 18 months, is at the lowest price it's ever traded, yet we're as more advanced than we've ever been. And with the turnaround in the lithium space and the interest in the European markets as the electrification of transport gathers pace, with a growing demand for lithium and a very questionable supply base and lack of security of supply across the sector, we believe we are poised to be one of the 5 or 6 players that actually go to the next stage and get a large partner from the sector, from the industry, who will take us through to fund that and have us into production, where we're targeting production in 2023.